Lesson 1. The Three of Cups. Celebration, friendship, community, joy. Welcome to Lesson 1 of The Sound of the Arcana. In this lesson, we'll explore one of the most uplifting cards in the tarot, the Three of Cups. This card reminds us that life's greatest blessings are often found in connection, celebration, gratitude, and shared happiness. Card overview. Suit, cups, water. Number 3. Element, water. Astrological association, Mercury in Cancer. Keywords, celebration, friendship, community, reunion, happiness. Collaboration, emotional support, gratitude, weddings, birthdays, good news. Understanding the Suit of Cups. Before diving into the Three of Cups specifically, it's important to understand the Suit of Cups. The cups represent our emotional world. They govern love, relationships, intuition, happiness, grief, compassion, emotional healing. Whenever you see many cups in a reading, emotions are taking center stage. The symbolism of the Three of Cups. Every symbol on the card tells a story. 3 women dancing. The 3 women raise their cups together in celebration. This symbolizes unity, shared joy, friendship, mutual support, community. Notice they are equal. No one stands above another. This reminds us that healthy relationships are built on mutual respect and encouragement. Raised cups. The raised goblets symbolize gratitude and emotional abundance. Rather than drinking alone, they celebrate together. This teaches us that happiness often multiplies when shared with others. The circle. The women form a circle. A circle has no beginning or end. It represents trust, safety, sacred connection, spiritual unity, the cycle of life. Flowers and fruit. At their feet are flowers, pumpkins, grapes, and fruit. These represent harvest, abundance, fertility, prosperity, rewards for previous efforts. The message is simple. You have something worth celebrating. Bare feet. Their feet touch the earth. This symbolizes being emotionally grounded while still embracing joy. True happiness doesn't require perfection. Upright meaning. When the Three of Cups appears upright, it usually brings positive energy. It may indicate celebrations, weddings, birth announcements, engagements, reunions, friendships, supportive communities, good news, success shared with others. It also reminds us not to isolate ourselves. Sometimes healing happens in the company of people who genuinely care. Reversed meaning. When reversed, the energy may become blocked. Possible meanings include isolation, feeling left out, gossip, friendship conflicts, overindulgence, emotional distance, third-party situations, depending on surrounding cards. Losing balance between social life and personal growth. The reversed Three of Cups asks, who truly celebrates your success? Love meaning. In love readings, the Three of Cups often suggests joyful relationships, dating, shared happiness, engagements, meeting through friends, emotional support. If reversed, it may point toward misunderstandings, emotional triangles, or the need for honest communication. Career meaning. At work, this card can represent teamwork, successful collaborations, networking, promotions celebrated by others, positive workplace relationships, creative projects. This is often an excellent card for people working in artistic or collaborative environments. Spiritual meaning. Spiritually, the Three of Cups teaches us that healing is not always a solitary journey. Sometimes our greatest growth happens through community, soul family, shared experiences, gratitude, celebrating how far we've come. Joy itself can become a spiritual practice. Number numerology. The number 3 symbolizes creativity, expansion, expression, growth, collaboration. After the emotional connection of the Two of Cups, the 3 expands that energy outward into community and shared joy. How to interpret the 3 of Cups? Instead of memorizing keywords, ask yourself, what is there to celebrate? Who supports the querent? Are they allowing themselves to receive joy? Is this card encouraging connection? Are friendships healthy and reciprocal? Is gratitude being overlooked? These questions help you uncover the deeper message of the card. Reading tips and techniques 1. Look at the surrounding cards. The 3 of Cups changes meaning depending on the cards around it. For example, with the Sun, a joyful success or celebration. With the Hermit, balance social connection with personal reflection. With the Devil, be mindful of excess or unhealthy social influences. With the Lovers, deepening relationships or celebrating love. 2. Pay attention to the question. The same card can speak differently depending on the reading. Love, emotional connection and shared happiness. Career, collaboration and teamwork. Spiritual, finding your soul tribe. Personal growth, embracing gratitude and allowing yourself to celebrate progress. 3. Avoid reading in isolation. Tarot is a conversation between cards. The 3 of Cups is enriched by the context of the entire spread. 4. Trust your intuition. Symbols, colors, and figures may stand out differently each time you read. Your intuitive impressions can add meaningful layers beyond traditional interpretations. Reflection exercise. Take a moment to journal on these questions. Who are the people that truly celebrate my growth? When was the last time I allowed myself to celebrate an achievement? How can I cultivate more gratitude in my daily life? What communities help me become the best version of myself? Key takeaways. The 3 of Cups celebrates friendship, joy, and emotional abundance. It encourages gratitude, connection, and shared success. Reversed, it may point to isolation, gossip, or imbalanced relationships. Consider the surrounding cards and the context of the reading for deeper insight. Tarot is not about memorizing definitions. It is about understanding the story the cards tell together. Learn through music. To deepen your understanding of the 3 of Cups, listen to 3 of Cups by Synthesized Souls. This original tarot-inspired song is designed to reinforce the card's themes through music, emotion, and storytelling. As you listen, notice how the lyrics and atmosphere reflect the card's message of celebration, friendship, gratitude, and emotional connection. Combining traditional study with music can help you remember the card's meaning on a deeper, more intuitive level. Lesson Companion. 3 of Cups. Synthesized Souls. Homework. Listen to the song at least twice, then revisit the card and write down 3 new insights or emotions that came up for you. This practice helps connect intellectual learning with intuitive understanding, an important skill for every tarot reader.